In a coastal town, engineers tested a modular simulation that mapped tides, wind, and power demand to design flood defenses. The game-like tool turned complex data into visual scenarios, letting planners reroute streets and wells before any real construction began. When a simulated storm surge exceeded predictions, the team discovered a hidden corridor that redirected water flow without costly walls. Local officials credited the exercise with cutting risk and boosting public trust, proving games can translate science into safer streets. The new approach spread to schools and utilities, showing that playful simulations can guide serious decisions while protecting communities.